Hello, lovely people. Welcome to a brand new chapter where we celebrate the joy of eating well together without breaking the bank. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who loves a good meal, you're in the right place. Today, let's tackle one of the biggest challenges for families everywhere: how to feed your loved ones delicious, healthy food without spending a fortune. We all know that grocery bills can add up fast, but with a few smart strategies, you can keep your meals both affordable and nourishing. Life's busy, and sometimes it feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. But here's the good news. You don't need fancy ingredients or complicated techniques to make great meals. In fact, some of the best dishes come from simple, wholesome ingredients and a dash of creativity. With a few clever tricks and reliable recipes, you can serve up vibrant, tasty dishes on a budget. Think colorful stir-fries, hearty casseroles, and fresh salads that look and taste amazing without costing a fortune. We'll explore meals like sizzling fajitas and hearty soup, simple, quick, and full of goodness. These are the kinds of recipes that bring everyone to the table, filling your home with delicious aromas and happy chatter. The goal? More time with your family, less stress in the kitchen. Imagine evenings filled with laughter, stories, and the satisfaction of sharing a meal you made together. Cooking should be joyful, not a chore. When you turn meal prep into a fun family activity, everyone gets involved. Kids can help wash veggies, set the table, or even stir the pot. It's about making memories, not just meals. With a bit of planning and smart shopping, your food budget will stretch further than you think. We'll talk about making shopping lists, comparing prices, and choosing seasonal produce to get the best value for your money. We'll cover how to buy smart, use leftovers, and turn humble ingredients into showstoppers. Leftovers don't have to be boring. They can become tomorrow's lunch, a new dinner, or even a tasty snack with just a little imagination. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started. Whether you're a kitchen pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. We'll share tips, tricks, and recipes that make cooking at home easy, affordable, and fun. By the end, you'll have new skills and go-to recipes your family will love. You'll feel confident in the kitchen, knowing you can whip up meals that are both budget-friendly and delicious. Let's bring the joy back to your kitchen, ready to make mealtime the highlight of your day. Let's do this together. Cooking at home is one of the best things you can do for your family's health and happiness. It's more than just putting food on the table. It's about creating a space where everyone can come together, share stories, and build stronger bonds. When you cook at home, you're not just feeding your loved ones. You're nourishing their bodies and their spirits. You control what goes in, no hidden sugars or additives. Every ingredient is chosen by you, so you know exactly what your family is eating. You can pick the freshest produce, the best cuts of meat, and the grains that suit your family's needs. There's a sense of pride in knowing you're serving something wholesome and real. Fill your meals with fresh veggies, lean proteins, and wholesome grains. Experiment with new flavors, try out different cuisines, and make every meal an adventure. Cooking at home gives you the freedom to be creative, to cater to everyone's tastes, and to introduce your family to a world of healthy options. It's healthier, and it saves you serious money compared to eating out or takeaways. When you plan your meals and shop smart, you can stretch your budget further. A single dinner out could cost as much as several home-cooked meals, and you get so much more value for your money. Home-cooked meals mean less waste and more value for your money. Leftovers can be packed for lunch the next day, or reinvented into new dishes, reducing food waste and making the most of every ingredient. You're not just saving money, you're also helping the environment. But it's not just about health or savings. The kitchen becomes a place of laughter, learning, and togetherness. It's where memories are made and traditions are passed down from one generation to the next. Cooking together is a chance to connect, turn off the screens, and enjoy real conversation. In a world full of distractions, sharing a meal is a rare opportunity to slow down and truly listen to each other. These moments of connection are priceless. Get the kids involved. They'll learn vital skills and be more open to trying new foods. Teaching children to cook helps them develop confidence, independence, and a healthy relationship with food. Plus, they're more likely to eat what they've helped prepare. The smells, the sizzle, the laughter, these moments create lasting memories. The simple act of preparing a meal together can turn an ordinary evening into something special. It's these little rituals that your family will remember for years to come. A home-cooked meal is made with love and you can taste it. Every bite carries the care and effort you put in, making the food more satisfying and meaningful. It's about nurturing your family in the most fundamental way. Sharing a meal is an act of love, a way to show you care, and a chance to support each other through life's ups and downs. So let's rediscover the joy of making and sharing good food. Invite everyone into the kitchen, try new recipes, and celebrate the simple pleasure of eating together. It's a tradition worth keeping alive. It's one of the best investments you'll ever make, for your health, your happiness, and the memories you'll cherish forever. Before we dive into recipes, let's talk strategy. Always start with a meal plan and a shopping list. No more impulse buys. Stick to your list and look for deals on things you actually need. Own brand products and frozen fruit and veg are budget-friendly and just as nutritious. Buy seasonal produce and visit local markets for the best prices. Cheaper cuts of meat and pulses like lentils and beans are your best friends. Waste nothing. Turn scraps into stock, stale bread into croutons, and freeze leftovers. Every bit counts for your wallet and the planet. A little planning goes a long way. Shop smart, cook smart, and watch your savings grow. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's kick off with a family favorite, chicken fajitas. Use chicken thighs for more flavor and savings, and bulk out with colorful peppers, onions, and tinned black beans. Whole wheat tortillas add extra fiber. Sliced chicken and veg, toss with olive oil, smoked paprika, cumin, and a pinch of chili powder. Sizzle in a hot pan for 10 minutes until cooked. Warm tortillas and set out toppings: yogurt, cheese, salsa, and mashed avocado. Let everyone build their own. Fun, interactive, and delicious. It's quick, healthy, and budget-friendly. The kids will love making their own creations. Dinner sorted in 15 minutes. Next up, a hug in a bowl, mighty minestrone soup. It's perfect for using up leftover veggies and preventing waste. Start with onion, carrot, and celery, sautéed until soft. Add garlic, dried oregano, tinned tomatoes, and vegetable stock. Simmer, then toss in any extra veg, tinned beans, and a handful of pasta. Cook until the pasta and veg are tender. Stir in spinach or kale at the end for a nutrient boost. Season. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil and grated cheese. Make a big pot for dinner and lunch leftovers. Kids can help wash veg and stir the pot. It's hearty, healthy, and super affordable. A true family classic. Enjoy every spoonful. Here's a special one. One-pan lemon herb salmon with roasted veggies. Use frozen salmon fillets for savings and quality. Chop seasonal veg like broccoli and potatoes. Toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper on a tray. Roast for 15 minutes. Mix lemon zest and juice, garlic, herbs, and olive oil for a quick marinade. Add salmon fillets to the tray, spoon over the marinade, and scatter cherry tomatoes. Roast another 15 minutes until salmon is cooked through. Minimal washing up, maximum flavor. Kids can help mix the marinade and arrange the veg. It's healthy, easy, and feels like a treat. All done in one tray. Perfect for busy nights. Enjoy this elegant, budget-friendly meal. Skip the takeaway. Make brilliant black bean burgers at home. Mash tinned black beans, add onion, garlic, breadcrumbs, egg, and cumin. Shape into patties. Add more breadcrumbs if needed. Pan fry until golden on both sides. Toast whole wheat buns and load up with lettuce, tomato, and yogurt or your favorite sauce. These burgers are hearty, healthy, and super cheap. Make a big batch and freeze extras for quick meals. Kids will love mashing and shaping the patties. Packed with protein and fiber, they're a winner for everyone. No strange fillers, just real tasty food. Enjoy your homemade burger night. Last up, Popeye's Power Pasta, a creamy green superfast dish. Cook your favorite pasta. Blitz fresh spinach, ricotta, garlic, lemon zest, salt, and pepper into a vibrant sauce. Save some pasta water before draining. Toss pasta with the sauce and a splash of pasta water until silky. Add more water if needed for creaminess. Kids can help with the blender. Serve with extra cheese if you like. It's nutritious, budget-friendly, and ready in minutes. Simple, green, and delicious. There you have it. 5 easy, healthy, and budget-friendly recipes that are perfect for your family's table. Each one is designed to be simple enough for busy weeknights, yet delicious enough to make everyone look forward to dinner. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, these recipes are a great way to bring more wholesome meals into your home without breaking the bank. From sizzling fajitas to hearty minestrone soup, you now have a variety of options to suit every craving and every family member's taste buds. Mix and match, try new flavors, and don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients you already have in your pantry. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Sit down with your family to plan meals for the week, make a smart shopping list, and stick to it at the store. Use what you already have in your fridge and cupboards, and get creative with leftovers to reduce waste and save money. Cooking at home isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. When you invite your kids into the kitchen, you're teaching them valuable life skills, from chopping veggies to following a recipe, and even learning about nutrition and teamwork. Don't worry about making everything perfect. The kitchen is a place for laughter, learning, and a little bit of mess. Enjoy the process, embrace the imperfections, and celebrate the small victories, like a new dish everyone loves or a child's first time stirring the pot. Think of these recipes as a starting point. Add your own twist, maybe a favorite spice, a different vegetable, or a fun topping. Cooking is all about making food that feels right for your family, so let your creativity shine. The more you cook, the more confident you'll become. Each meal is a chance to practice, learn, and grow. Soon, you'll find yourself trying new techniques and flavors with ease. Every meal you share is an opportunity to connect, talk about your day, and make memories that last a lifetime. The dinner table is where stories are told, laughter is shared, and bonds are strengthened. So, challenge yourself this week. Pick a recipe from this list, gather your family, and cook it together. Let everyone have a role, from washing veggies to setting the table. You'll be surprised at how much fun you have and how proud everyone feels. Savor the smiles, the laughter, and the little moments of joy that come from sharing a homemade meal. These are the memories your family will cherish for years to come. Remember, food is about more than just nourishment. It's about bringing joy, comfort, and togetherness to your home. Every meal is a celebration of family and love. So, what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen, roll up your sleeves, and cook your hearts out. You've got this, and your family will thank you for it.